To save you both time and money, we've narrowed it down to some of the best chandelier lighting. Check out an in-depth review of the best chandelier lighting in 2023. In this video, we make new research on the top best chandelier lighting. This is the best chandelier lighting review. Best time for buying your new chandelier lighting. Number 1. 3 Rings Crystals LED Chandelier. Modern chandelier gold 3-round ring, 4-ring optional. Crystal chandelier made of high-quality metal with arylic, high transmittance, LED pendant lighting, contemporary flush mount ceiling light fixture built-in efficient LED light source, too much energy saving, soft light without glare, pendant light specification, dia 11.8, plus 15.7, plus 23.6, color temperature 4500K 6500K, dimmable gold chandelier, crystal modern chandelier 3 rings chandelier is dimmable. The color temperature of this chandelier light fixture can be controlled remotely. There are 3 light modes: warm light, natural light, white light. Let you have different lights to accompany you during situation. Meanwhile, it is a shape freely adjusted dining room chandelier. This dining room crystal chandelier ceiling light fixture is designed in a modern shape with 3 rings and adjustable height. The simple LED pendant light will add more elegant and luxurious elements to your house. The shape of 3 rings chandelier LED pendant lights can be varied by adjusting the hanging cord. Design your own unique shape at any time. Recommended for living room, dining room, staircase, entryway, hallway, entrance, hotel, office. Number 2. CMMZY12 Light Crystal Firework Chandelier. This modern crystal chandelier is designed with linear firework lampshade, so elegant and gorgeous that adds a beautiful decor to your such place as dining room, kitchen island, living room, restaurant, bar, cafe, etc. The chrome chandelier light fixture is compatible with G9-based bulbs, including LED, CFL, incandescent and halogen bulbs. It is also fully dimmable when used with a dimmable bulb and dimmer switch. You can choose different style bulbs and color temperatures to create different atmospheres. The ceiling chandelier fixture dimensions: 35.5 L by 15.7, W by 15.7. H height can be adjustable from 18.5 to 55 inches according to your preference and design. This design complements any room decoration and you never need to worry it will out of stylish. Number 3. Mooney Luxury Rectangle Crystal Chandelier. The high transmittance long K9 crystals are neatly hung onto the bright golden lamp body. Required 6xe12, not included, works with incandescent, LED, CFL, halogen or color-changing bulbs up to 40 W per bulb. Fixture dimension: length 41 inches, 105 centimeters by width 10, 25 centimeters by height 12, 30 centimeters. Connection rods 12*6. Securely wrapped and fairly easy assembly. It only takes a few minutes that you will fall in love with the light effect.